BMG's Mars data analysis software can be a valuable tool that saves your lab time and effort. It is our hope that if you understand its capabilities, you will use them and see the benefits. This video will cover several ways to open Mars and introduce the basic layout and tools available in this software. There are several ways to open Mars from the control software. If you have just completed an assay, it can be viewed by clicking Open Last Test Run. You can also click on the Mars icon. There is also a small icon at the top of the control software, or you can use the desktop icon. Upon opening Mars from the desktop icon, you will first be prompted to select an account to use. Highlight your selection and click Run. Depending on the number of tests in your database, it might take a few seconds to open the software. When Mars opens, you will see the Manage Test Runs window. Tests are divided up based on whether they involve using microplates, the LVIS plate, or cuvettes. The test names correspond to those used in the control software. Let's open a test. This can be done by double-clicking on the test name. Typically, you will first see the microplate view and an associated available data with entries organized in nodes. Clicking Open takes us back to the Manage Protocols page, and clicking Close would of course close the open test data. Clicking Define Print allows you to create a report format if you have a printer already selected. In the View tab, you can change preferences to adjust how your installation appears. In Mars, you can also perform calculations. More on this later. Templates are very useful. There are already several included for some common assays, especially those that are predefined in the software. New templates can be imported or created after you are satisfied with the calculations, or an existing template can be assigned. In the Layout tab, you can view the current layout and subsequently edit it. Wells can be emptied or defined with any of 6 attributes. If you have standards, you can add associated concentrations or sample dilutions. Layout is also where you can change whether or not you want to use our path length correction to 1 centimeter. Format and settings allows you to change the general appearance of Mars, and we have a convenient way to export Excel data. A report can be created with adjustable attributes, or a quick export of the current view can be performed. Similar ASCII export is also available. If you want to export data so that it could be opened in another Mars installation, click on Export. The Mars data has a .ruc extension and are sometimes called RUC files. If you are working with tech support, these types of files are vastly preferable. The Standard Curve Wizard provides a simple approach to perform linear regression and other analyses if you have appropriately defined standards. Calculations can also be accessed from the home screen. Blank and other calculations can be performed, as can a variety of statistics. Standard curve calculations can be performed for 9 different fit types. And data calculations allow you to perform basic subtraction, division, addition, and multiplication based on different input data. Assay quality calculations are also readily accessible, and if you need more advanced calculation, you can always use user-defined formulas. Besides the microplate view, data can also be viewed in tabular format and all the instrument setup information can be viewed in the protocol information. All changes that are ever made to the data are tracked to make Mars 21 CFR compliant. We hope that this introduction to Mars has shown you some of the ways this data analysis software may be useful to you. If you have questions about Mars, you can always consult your manual, or please contact us.